But it couldn't handle your shit. I can tell it wasn't gonna work. She gon' spend it all on the purse. Her hair and toes done too. What has he done for you? I might just blow it all on you. I'm the one you call on to. Fall back and fall on you.
So today I'm making my stuffed jalapeno cheeseburgers with bacon. So this is all you're gonna need: bacon, cheese, the patties, jalapenos, and I just diced my jalapenos. So right now I'm putting some butter in the pan so I can saute my jalapenos. And you don't want to get your jalapenos like extra soft, because it's still gonna cook in the patty, but you don't want them hard either. So this is why I'm getting them a little soft. And right now I'm just putting some butter and some minced garlic in the pan. And I'm adding the jalapenos, and they go saute. And you can stuff your burgers with anything. You can do chopped up onions, bell peppers, mushrooms. You can chop shrimp, anything you want in your burgers. You can always just, if it's vegetables, you just want to saute it first so it won't be raw when the burger is done. So I'm going to take the jalapenos out because they soft enough as how I want them. Alright, so now flatten the patties because I want them really flat. And you don't have to have your patties this big. I'm not going to do the double patty. So I just made one big patty with 2 meats. So I folded the cheese in squares. And now I'm putting the jalapenos in. And to make sure your cheese and jalapenos or whatever you stuffing your burger with is not gonna gush out your burger, you want to make sure you pat the sides down, like pinch the sides. Make sure you cover it. Make sure you don't see no cracks in the middle of the burger. If you do, just flatten it out. Yep, so I'm just going ahead and flatten the burger some more. Any cracks I see, I'm just fixing it, patting it down, pinching, then covering. And your burger go shrink too, so it looks really big right now, but I promise you at the end you're gonna see how much my burger shrunk. So I'm going in with the seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, the red rub from Famous Days, and I'm just patting the seasoning into the meat so it can stay in the meat. And that's some Lawry's marinade chop sauce. Oh my god, that is so good. Like when you barbecue, that's what you marinate your meat with. It's found burgers, I'm telling you. Alright, so now we finna go ahead and get the burger cooking. You don't need no oil, none of that, because it's gonna create its own grease. And I'm going ahead and put the bacon in them. So while the burger is cooking, the bacon will be cooking too. Alright, so as you can see, the burger is cooking. At the bottom you see it's getting brown. So it's about to be time to flip it. So I took the bacon out. That's exactly how I want my bacon. I don't like my bacon too crispy. No, I need it a little soft. Now I'm adding the onions so we can start sauteing the onions Maxwell style. Cause that's exactly how my house was smelling, straight like Maxwell's. So you see my burger starting to gush a little bit, but it didn't come out the burger. Now I put another slice on top. So I took the onions out, the burger out. Now we good. We finna go ahead and build this burger. And of course, you know, I gotta put the bread, get a little crust. You can add butter to your skillet when you crisp your buns. I didn't do it. And I'm just adding barbecue sauce. You can put mayo or any sauce you want. I don't eat mayo, so barbecue sauce will do it for me. Put your bacon pieces on. Bacon decent. Alright, the grilled onions. I like my onions to have a little crisp still in it. And then A1 sauce, like Five Guys, like that definitely give me Five Guys vibes, like for real. Then your lettuce and your tomatoes. Oh my god. Add a little more barbecue sauce at the top. Squad, look at that. 5. I'm finna cut into it, and this is what it'll like in the inside. You see the jalapeno pieces, the cheese. Look at that burger, y'all. Look at that. You can't go wrong. And I made it with some fries, and I also made some waffle fries. Look at that.
Fall back and fall on along with it. Shawty ain't scared. Shawty ain't scared.